थी ना कल मेरे साथ में, तो क्या कमेंट आया, किसके आए हैं, बिकॉज डीएम तो चेक कर नहीं सकते, तो फिर अगर आए तो अच्छा ये किसका है, तो you just can't do party every day and you're going out and you're showing them that brand is everything. No, you need to make yourself a brand. If you are a brand, people will definitely follow you. My interest was only fashion or makeup, but that's not for me because I'm scared of lizard, I'm scared of cockroaches, I'm scared of everything in the world. So मेरे लिए वो that was the time, you know, मैं याद करती हूँ, मुझे goosebumps आते हैं. He is my support system or whatever you can call it, the best part of my life. My wedding was finalized. My mom got cancer. Her treatment was going on, and I had to do my wedding shopping. तो तब मुझे समझ नहीं आया था कि मैं sad हूँ कि मुझे खुश होना है.
So today we have a very special guest with us. She's a very known makeup artist, and let's welcome her, Shefali Nagpal.
Thank you.
Hello Shefali, how are you?
Very good. How are you, Simran?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. So how's the day?
Very good. Going very well.
So are you excited for the interview?
Very, very excited actually. Bit nervous, but I'm excited.
Chalo, let's start then. Share your experience.
Okay, if you want a genuine feedback or review about Facebooks, I think they are much better than clients. No offense to anyone, but they are on such profile and they are so down to earth. Whomsoever I've met so many celebrities, but they are always down to earth and they respect our profession. If we tell them to be on time, they're always on time. And most important, they don't want too much of makeup. So I've learned this thing from them only, that subtle is more. Because if you do subtle makeup, you can look like a celebrity, but if you do
And you can even enhance your beauty.
Exactly. I've learned from them only. I'm glad because when I started my career as makeup artist, I started with the celebrity makeup only. So yes, I've learned a lot from them.
That's it. So what influenced it your childhood dream to become a makeup artist, or you have like switched it?
No, I never thought of being a makeup artist.
So what were you earlier planning to do?
I wanted to be a doctor.
But even I wanted to be a doctor, then I just switched.
But I realized no, that's not for me because I'm scared of lizard, I'm scared of cockroaches, I'm scared of everything in the world. So yes, then I was cabin crew for a good 10 years and I really enjoyed my work. But after marriage, I had to quit because I was just flying international and leaving home for 25
So basically
days
very
in a
time
month.
issues and
It was
everything.
difficult, yes. And then my husband asked me after marriage, what you want to do? Because my interest was only fashion or makeup. Then it came, I wanted to make. I started with my makeup journey. I joined a makeup.
So basically you were like since starting you were into fashion and everything.
Yeah, I always liked makeup, more of makeup and styling as well, because always my cabin crew, my colleagues, they always used to appreciate my styling. So that was in my mind, either I'll do fashion designing or makeup. So, yes.
So after marriage, basically you followed your
Immediately
passion.
after marriage, yes.
That's great. How can a makeup artist influence their audience on social media?
Being real. If you are real, your audience will definitely connect with you. But if you are fake, obviously they will get to know, because our followers are not only celebrities. Our followers are like very normal
general people.
Yeah, they want to be like you. So if you're real, like my followers say I'm real, and I know it very well that I'm real. So just being real, you can influence people and you can attract more followers.
But basically nowadays social media is also very fake.
It is more of fake only, but if you are fake, of course people will get to know at one point and they'll stop following you. In fact, basically you are influencing people, right? If you want to influence people, you have to be real.
Yeah, that's
you just can't do party every day and you're going out and you're showing them that brand is everything. No, you need to make yourself a brand. If you are a brand, people will definitely follow you.
So how do you balance your personal and professional life?
Very difficult question. Okay, my day starts with 7 a.m. in the morning. I take care of my daughter, dressing, school.
How old is your daughter?
She's 4.5 now.
So she's like she's going play school or
no, she's going to like normal school. She's going to in KG9 now.
Actually, she's in KG.
And yes,
What's her name?
Amira Nagpal.
Amira.
So more she's growing, more responsibilities are getting, and then her studies, her school, her activities. She's going for hula hoop. She's doing dancing. She is going for ballet classes. So many things are happening.
So basically, she's like bit busy all the day.
Yeah, and I have to take care of all these things because if
as a mother, you have to.
I have to see her studies. I have to see everything. So yeah, my day starts at 7 a.m. and ends up at 12 o'clock at night, and I'm just on my toes. So just trying to manage, because I know this time she's gonna take a nap for 1 hour. I can quickly do something. Then I know that she's going for classes. I can do something. So I have to plan my day accordingly. So obviously kids are not going to plan according to us. We have to plan
Yeah, right.
according to them.
So being a like working mother is like a big task to do actually.
It is a big task, but there was a time, after delivery, I thought, I should give up now. But thankfully, my husband's support and family, you need to have a good
Yeah,
family
right,
support for
truly.
that. And then they told me, don't give up, try again. And thankfully, I got same love, in fact, more love from my audience after coming back. So yes, that allows me not to give up and keep motivating me.
So basically, your husband is supportive in
Oh,
your.
very, very much. He's he is my support system, or whatever you can call it, the best part of my life, my husband. He is here right now today with us. You all have seen. So yes, he is my
That's
big
great,
support.
great. So many people want to learn makeup from you. So what advice do you want to give who someone who's pursuing or want to get into makeup industry?
So when you're coming to learn makeup and when you're coming to get your makeup done, just come to be yourself. Makeup is all about enhancing your beauty. It's not about changing somebody. I've seen brides nowadays, they want very subtle makeup
Yeah,
because
like
it's very, very important to love your skin. If you start loving your skin, you start loving yourself, you will come and you will just say, enhance my beauty.
And I
So-
guess that looks more real and natural and it gives a beautiful look as
Exactly.
well.
Why you want to go and just say, okay, make me white? White is
Yeah,
not
that's
makeup
what.
because we are Indians. We are not white. Nobody is
have
white. In
normal
fact, you've seen
skins.
international bloggers; they never do fair makeup.
They never.
So yes, just start loving your skin.
So are there any ups and downs in your life which you want to share?
Oh, yes, there was. If you want to talk about like married life, obviously I was always independent before my marriage, and then I got married, and obviously that I was from a nuclear family, then I came to a joint family. So there was a huge
So how's the
difference.
experience in like joint family? Did you
Yeah.
like it?
I no, initially it was very difficult for me to do all
Because-
that formalities. I'll call formalities because for me it was not easy.
Because coming from a nuclear family, we don't
Exactly,
have that
exactly.
environment that we have to
Yes,
be
those
together.
rituals, you just going and doing everything for others, not for yourself.
Yeah, that's what.
Then मैंने adapt किया उस चीज को, adapt करने के बाद, and then career obviously I had to quit. For 1 year I was at home, and then that was a moment when I was not depressed. I was enjoying my married life, but still I was not happy.
You were not happy internally.
Yes,
basically.
I was actually not happy, and then everybody could see that on my face, and they started saying, "You want to work?" Yes, I want to work, but the problem is I don't know what to do. And then I started working in NGO, but sorry to say, but NGO was not like NGO, so I couldn't work there. And then I started my career, and initially, like for 2 years, it was going really good, and then pandemic happened, and then my
That was a tough
pregnancy, yes,
time, that's-
pregnancy, delivery. So you can say in 5 years, I've just worked for 2 years. But still, I'm thankful to God. I've got so much of love for my work and for me.
And you will surely get definitely
Yeah,
in future as
thank
well. So now with this, we start a rapid fire round. So that would be interesting and
Yes, yes, of course.
spicy too.
Let's do this.
So let's start. So if you want to swap your life with any fictional character for a day, who would it be and why?
You see cartoons? Do you see baby kids cartoons? Do you watch?
I mean, not sare dekhe, but some of them.
There's
Tom and Jerry is like
Diana and
famous.
Noma, I don't know. I should take the name or not. That's my daughter's favorite. Okay.
Acha, okay.
But the life Diana is living, she's getting every toy and different toy, and people want that toy, But because my daughter sees that, they Mama, मुझे ये चाहिए, Mama, मुझे ये चाहिए.
Kids are like that
On the
only.
other hand, she's influencing people, कि ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर यही toy होगा, then only you can enjoy with other things as well.
So basically,
Yes,
learning
I want,
also.
Yes, मतलब मुझे ऐसा एक, अगर आप सेलिब्रिटी की बात करोगे तो नो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता उनकी रियल लाइफ कैसी है. But seeing that baby, a kid, basically you can say I want to swap my life with a kid. अगर मुझे एक दिन के लिए change करनी पड़ जाए तो.
That's true. You can relive your thing, because I guess
yes.
childhood is the best time of our life where you have no tension, no nothing. You are
because
chilled out.
In childhood we don't have this. We
Yeah,
just have
if
this.
we have this.
That's what I want for one day.
If your life had a theme song, what it would be, and can you sing few lines?
Okay, हर घड़ी बदल रही. That's my favorite,
Yeah, that's a lovely song.
रूप जिंदगी छाँव है, कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी,
हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो,
जो है समा
कल हो ना हो.
and it's a fact.
Yeah, and plus you have a lovely voice as well. So share had to be their moment from your past life.
Okay, so there was
You
a
can.
time my mom is a cancer patient. I don't want to be senti, but it's just that there was a time when I had to quit my job before marriage. My wedding was finalized. My mom got cancer. Her treatment was going on, and I had to do my wedding shopping. तो तब मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि मैं sad हूँ कि मुझे खुश होना है, मुझे अपनी
I
शादी.
know.
And those 3 months were like all parallel. So मेरे लिए वो that was the time, you know, मैं याद करती हूँ, मुझे goosebumps आते हैं because एक wedding time एक लड़की के लिए बहुत
बहुत
special
important
होता है.
होता है because the whole day like wedding is
Yes,
once in a.
yes, and I got leaves from my office. I had to quit my job. Almost quit ही कर दिया था मैंने उस time पे. So अपनी mom को ऐसे देखना, अपनी शादी की preparations करना. So
So it was like
very difficult time, very
for you.
difficult time for me. But yes, हो गया. And my mom was there for my wedding. That was more important for me. And she got a treatment, a major surgery done just 10 days before my marriage. So yes, now
So that was a
time.
really tough time for
Very
you.
very tough time. But that
You
made me
couldn't have,
stronger.
you know, enjoyed your wedding actually पूरी तरीके से because you know कहीं ना कहीं होता है यार दिल में
और
कि
उनके लिए मेरी वेडिंग ड्रीम था.
या प्लस मदर्स के लिए तो वैसे भी डॉटर का तो होता है कि
और
यार
मैंने प्लान किया कि मम्मा आगा में करेंगे, डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग है यार. शी वाज सो हैप्पी क्योंकि हमारी फैमिली में फर्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग थी वो. एंड शी वाज सो हैप्पी व्हेन देन बट शी गॉट डायग्नोज. मतलब मेरा रोका हुआ है और रोके के नेक्स्ट डे शी डायग्नोज्ड विद कैंसर. सो वो मेरे लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट फेस था लाइफ का. बट हो गया. बट ये है कि मेरी शादी में माई मॉम कुडंट स्टैंड. शी वाज ऑन ऑलमोस्ट ऑन व्हील चेयर. तो मेरे लिए वो देखना और शादी करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट था. बट हुआ, सब कुछ अच्छा हुआ.
बट शी वाज देयर दैट इज लाइक द
Yes,
मोस्ट
that's
इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग कि
that
वो
was
थी
more
आपको
important
देख
for me.
रहे थे.
Exactly, and she's there. अभी भी उनकी ट्रीटमेंट चलती है. बट yes, she was there for my wedding. That was God grace.
So if you get a chance to have a long drive with your favorite Bollywood celebrity, who would it be?
Akshay Kumar. Oh my God, I love Akshay Kumar.
Yeah, he is very energetic.
Energetic, and again I am saying I think he is real. मुझे ऐसा लगता है वो किसी शो में भी आते हैं ना तो he is real.
He doesn't pretend. मतलब
हाँ,
नॉर्मल
yeah.
जो भी बोलना है बोल
हाँ,
दिया,
कोई
कुछ भी
मसला
करना है
बाजी
कुछ
नहीं
करो
है,
एंड
किसी को
एवरीथिंग.
बटरिंग नहीं करना. जो है वो है और जो थे वैसा ही है. मतलब अगर फिटनेस शुरू से दिखाई है तो अभी तक
है.
है. और जो है वो है कि मैं पार्टी नहीं करता तो
And
नहीं
I guess
करता.
that's why he is a superstar and
Exactly.
people are
That's what I
loving him.
told you, you know, if you're real then people will definitely follow you and follow you for long.
Yeah, that's what.
Akshay Kumar.
So share your funny nickname if you have like got in your childhood. Like होता है ना बचपन में नाम रखते हैं छोटे छोटे क्यूट क्यूट से.
I have. जब मैं हुई थी तो मेरे पापा ने बोला लक्ष्मी हुई है तो मेरा नाम रखा था गिन्नी.
गिन्नी.
Yes, गिन्नी.
गिन्नी is a cute name.
Yes, तो वो मेरा निकनेम था. इनफैक्ट मेरे घर में सब मुझे गिन्नी ही बोलते हैं अभी तक. पर शादी के बाद मैंने अपना नाम शिफाली सुनना शुरू किया in office obviously professional life. Otherwise my name is Ginny.
Ginny, but it's a cute name, Ginny. So if you have to go for a vacation right now, what destination would you choose?
Kashmir.
Kashmir.
My mom is from Kashmir and I've never been there.
Huh.
Yes.
But it's a beautiful place, no
It's a
doubt.
beautiful place, and whenever I think of, and I plan of going to Kashmir, something or the other happens, and then you know we hear about terrorism and all
Yeah,
that.
but it's unsafe also sometimes.
Yes.
थोड़ा सुनने में because you know वहाँ पे होता है यार कुछ ना कुछ. That
Exactly.
scene
और
is
जब मेरे
always
plan
there.
बनते हैं, तभी कुछ ना कुछ होता ही होता है.
So are you planning अब कभी जाने का next? Plan
अब
किया
मैं
है?
plan नहीं करती. अब मैं कहती हूँ हो
On
जाए.
the spot बस हो जाए
मैं
and you
चली
go.
जाऊँ, बस.
चलो बढ़िया है. So who's your biggest influencer to your life?
Huda Beauty.
Huda Beauty.
Huda Cotton, Mona Cotton, they are. Because when I started this career, I started following them. First influencer I started following. And she also has a daughter. She was just an influencer. Now she is an empire herself. So she's a big, big motivator for me. I still follow.
What's your dream project?
My dream project is doing makeup for a big fat wedding where I will meet people who wants the kind of makeup I want to do. You getting my point? I mean, I've just seen, you know, हम किसी और को तो समझा लेते हैं जो एक normal bride होती है. But
when it comes to, you know,
yes,
celebrities and people like that.
ऐसी कोई family big fat wedding of course हमने की है, पर मुझे ऐसी कोई चाहिए जो मुझे बोले बस we are here, do whatever you want to. नो वो मेरा एक ड्रीम है कि ऐसी पूरी फैमिली, नॉट जस्ट ब्राइड, पूरी फैमिली ऐसी मिले, लाइक बिग फैट बट डाउन टू अर्थ.
Chalo, this is interesting. What's your cheat meal? Favorite cheat meal?
You might laugh. दाल राइस.
It's your cheat meal.
या मतलब मैं अगर खाती हूँ, या और बटर पराठा, पराठा बटर, मतलब अगर मैं
आलू पराठा?
दाल राइस, आलू पराठा
नहीं, नॉर्मल पराठा.
और दाल राइस. मुझे दाल राइस क्यों चीट कह रही हूँ, क्योंकि वो मेरी ना, मैं ओवर ईटिंग करती हूँ ओनली व्हेन आई एम हैविंग दाल राइस, तो वो मेरी चीट मील है एंड आई लव इट.
या दाल राइस आई गेस इट्स अ कंफर्ट फूड. मतलब कभी भी खा लो, कैसे भी खा लो, बस बढ़िया लगता
दिल
है.
खोल के खाना इज माय, अगर थोड़ा सा खा रही हूँ तो वो तो डाइट में आ जाता है, पर दिल खोल के खाने वाली बात होती है ना दाल राइस, तो वो मेरी चीट मील.
सो यू डोंट लाइक जंक फूड खाते हो वैसे?
आई एम नॉट फॉन्ड ऑफ जंक फूड.
कुछ भी नहीं? नो पास्ता, नो पिज्जा, नो
नॉट
नथिंग?
फॉन्ड ऑफ. अगर मुझे चॉइस करनी हो तो आई विल गो फॉर माय होम फूड, और बाहर भी जाऊंगी तो इफ माय हस्बैंड नोज मैं शादियों में भी दाल राइस खा कर आती हूँ वापस. So I'm that kind of person. I love
It's fine, it's fine. So, who do you like stalk normally on Instagram? Any one person particularly?
my husband.
You stalk him only at home also and Instagram also?
या स्टॉक का मतलब होता है जिसको मैं फॉलो नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं स्टॉक कर रही हूँ, राइट? ऐसा कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि अगर मैं सबको फॉलो कर रही हूँ तो मुझे स्टॉक का समझ नहीं आता.
स्टॉक एज इन मतलब कंटिन्यूसली जा करके देखना पोस्ट को, क्या डाला है, क्या अपडेट है, क्या है. नॉर्मली वी कांट सी एवरीबॉडीज पोस्ट ऑन डेली बेसिस और स्टोरीज.
बोलो तो हस्बैंड की, क्योंकि मैं देखती हूँ अगर कुछ डाला है तो मेरे साथ डाला तो क्या कमेंट्स आए, आज क्या आया. नो इट्स अ फैक्ट. मैं शायद दिन में 100 टाइम्स उनका प्रोफाइल खोलती हूँ. नो यूज, मतलब प्राइवेट प्रोफाइल भी है,
बट ठीक है, पता होना चाहिए कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है.
डाली थी ना कल मेरे साथ में, तो क्या कमेंट आया, किसके आए हैं, बिकॉज़ डीएम तो चेक कर नहीं सकते, तो फिर
ठीक है.
अच्छा ये किसका है, तो
आई गेस ठीक है. आफ्टर मैरिज तो ये चीज थोड़ी हो जाती है नॉर्मली वाइज.
चेक हिज फोन बेसिकली, तो मैं थोड़ा बहुत
तो जो थोड़ा बहुत
ध्यान
ध्यान से निकले बस निकाल लो. चलो, with this we end the rapid fire session. And now coming to, now you are a jury member in the nation's top model hunt. So I'll be like asking you some questions about
Of
it.
course.
As a celebrity jury, you have your own established career. So what motivates you to be part of nation's top model hunt?
The real talent, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I've seen their auditions अभी तक. I've not seen anybody looking like just like model. I've seen like real girls, and they are here to follow their dreams. They're here.
Basically, they have got a platform to
Exactly.
showcase
they have got
their.
this good platform, and that's more attractive in this show.
Okay.
I'm glad.
So as we mentioned in a camping that if you are freshers, that also then also you can apply. So what do you think about that? Like, how important is it for a fresher to participate in such competitions?
Fresher has more confidence, but the people who are experienced, they are overconfident.
Yeah, I guess some of them are.
I had experience when I went for my interview. I was a fresher for my airline. You won't believe there were like 10 of us together, and there were everybody from Emirates, Etihad, and all. And then they selected me, and they said Shefali Nagpal. I thought they want me to go, but they were selecting me, and rest everybody went. That was the day when I realized that overconfidence matter नहीं करता, confidence matter.
Confidence matters,
तो जो
because I guess
freshers होंगे ना,
overconfident people, वो अलग से visible हो जाते हैं and people get to know.
हम तो मॉडल बन चुके हैं, बट जो फ्रेशर्स होंगे ना वो आपके शो को रिस्पेक्ट देंगे, आपको रिस्पेक्ट देंगे और रियल फीलिंग्स बताएंगे अपनी.
That's what. Chalo, with this we end our session. It was lovely having you on the
Thank
show.
you so much.
Thank you for being there. You're a lovely person, and I wish you all the very best for your future and everything. Thank you.